What's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the RGB coloring on your Sades one-handed mechanical keyboard. So I've been seeing a lot of comments and replies about people saying they couldn't figure out how to change the lighting on their keyboard. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So the first thing you're going to need to do is plug in your keyboard. Step 2, grab the user manual. Wait, you can't really use that, it's in a different language, so throw that away. Okay, so let's get to changing the color on your mechanical keyboard. So first off, make sure you have a Sades one-handed mechanical keyboard. Next thing, alright, so how to change the coloring on your keyboard is pretty simple. It's 2 buttons. So first you want to press this FN button and then the escape. Press them both simultaneously. Okay, so we have the first set of colors. Let's press it again. Second set. Third set. All changing it by holding FN and escape simultaneously. Fourth. And finally, the fifth. And if you were to press it one more time, it would just turn off. And to turn it back on, hold FN and escape. Alright guys, well, I hope you liked the video. If this helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and subscribe. Alright, peace.